Look at this horrible invasive plant. Can you believe that a nursery would sell this? This is butterfly bush, and if you were to just look online about butterfly bush, you will see tons and tons of articles that call this plant invasive, and it used to be, but it's not anymore. Let me explain. See, the original butterfly bushes that were brought over from Asia were the wild type butterfly bush, which tended to create seeds, which would get consumed by animals. And these seeds could then be deposited in different parts of the native ecosystem where they would then grow and compete with the native plants, thus making them invasive. But this plant had so many other amazing qualities that plant breeders took it upon themselves to create a version that wouldn't be invasive. So they did this by creating what are called interspecific hybrids, where you take two different species of this genus and cross them together, thus making an offspring that is sterile or incapable of producing a viable seed. So now we have dozens of different varieties of butterfly bushes that come in all different sizes and shapes and colors and textures that are not going to be invasive at all. So if you hear people talking about this plant being invasive, they're probably just behind the times in their information. This can still provide tons of valuable nectar to butterflies and other pollinators, and it looks tremendously great in your landscape.